Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from a rainy day here in the Margate, Florida. And what do we have for you? Well, we got another electric cover, one of the newer ones. And before we get started, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. So by the way, we have D behind the camera. And as we're walking over, take the time, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Use this time wisely as we're walking around here. And what do we got here? Well, we got a nice GMC Sierra with the Retrax EQ. Now I'm going to go into a few things about this. Now the EQ basically has a remote that works. Actually, it doesn't come with a remote. It uses the remote that comes with the truck. So when I go to use the remote, it opens it up, which is really nice. You get a nice long T slot here, 500-pound weight capacity, 5-year manufacturer warranty. I like the EQ because, again, one less remote for your keychain is really nice. So let's go ahead and take a good look on how everything works for you. So pretty straightforward. You're going to take 1, 2, 3. You're going to give a little time. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And voila. Very easy. So now the Retrax EQ does come with an LED light right here in the left. They do sell a passenger side one if you feel like that's not enough light. But between the lights down here and the light up there, at night this thing will be well lit. Now if you notice with the drainage system, we always go to the sides and we don't put it in the floor. The main reason is if you put it in the floor, you're going to be knocked out all the time, so you don't want that. Also on the EQ, it has a smaller canister, a little bit more room, so you can put things underneath there, not a problem. All in all, this is a great setup. And now on the General Motors ones, the Chevys and GMCs, it is a little harder to sync up. The app does work with this, but not all the features on the app work with it. Now the remote works, the app works with the open and closing, it doesn't do the other stuff. And they do sell a remote that goes on the outside here, which will go right there, which guess what, doesn't work with the GMs, but it works with the Fords and the other products. Hopefully they'll get that software issue taken care of. But most important thing, it works with this. Again, I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then that's it. Pretty easy, nothing too difficult here. Now, if you like this product, you can come here, let us install it for you. Now, we can also ship this anywhere in the country. And if you buy it from us, we'll help you with any installation questions you might have. A lot of times people get on the phone with it, we'll walk them through any steps. The directions come with are pretty good, but there's a few things that might be a little difficult. So again, if you buy from us, you get us. Now, lately, I don't want to pick up the phone anymore because I'm getting so many phone calls from people who bought somewhere else and they're having problems. And they want me to solve their problems, which I'm so busy with my own customers, I can't help other people's customers. Unfortunately, if you go buy from a company who doesn't know a thing about installing this and you're having problems, that was unfortunately your decision. So keep that in mind. Buy from us, you get us. And that's important. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessory here in Margate, Florida. And this is a Retrax EQ on a GMC Sierra. And don't forget, I mentioned before, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.